5 reasons why SEO is better than paid online marketing. Hello everyone. Welcome to my learning center. Our topic of discussion today is 5 reasons why SEO is better than paid online marketing. Website traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, which means that its success is dependent on the amount of traffic it generates. The two most recommended and powerful traffic generation sources are SEO and paid marketing, PPC, CPC. These are two distinct concepts that employ different approaches to achieve the same end goal, increased traffic. Both are effective ways to increase the number of visitors to a website. But most marketers prefer SEO to PPC for the following reasons. 1. SEO traffic is free and has more benefits than PPC traffic. SEO, organic traffic, is more valuable than PPC traffic. So if you work to get your website to the top of the search results page, you'll get a lot more high-quality traffic than if you pay for clicks. With the above method, you can get free traffic to your website 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 2. SEO produces consistent outcomes. Getting to the first page of search results takes time. Whether it's an hour, a day, or even a week. Continuously working in the direction of getting listed at the top takes time and patience. However, once you arrive, you will experience steady and consistent traffic. You can be on top and sow the seeds of success if you maintain your SEO campaigns and improve results. 3. Establishes your website's authority. An authoritative website is a well-established resource center for a specific niche and the go-to destination for its members. The best way to establish your website's authority is to consistently drive traffic to it and establish brand recognition in the online market. You can achieve this and dominate the market with smart SEO planning. 4. Enhances the worth of your website. It is critical to increase the value of your website if you intend to sell it in the future. The following are some of the factors that contribute to a website's increased value. The volume of traffic generated. Consistency in the generation of traffic. Search engine optimization. Popularity of links, etc. All of these factors are more easily achieved with SEO than with other forms of paid online advertising. 5. Produces long-term outcomes. Search engine optimization should always be a part of your long-term web marketing strategy. The most significant benefit of SEO is that it generates qualified leads. In fact, statistics show that many users have been trained to ignore PPC when browsing the web or conducting Google searches. SEO isn't about getting free clicks. It's about putting in a lot of effort and time to create and promote unique content, which takes a lot of time, dedication, and effort. Thanks for listening. Join our Facebook group My Learning Center and subscribe to our channel My Learning Center on YouTube.